How's it going, guys? Vlog number 4, I think. And we got Yoshi in the new bike. I gotta put on the gear real quick. I gotta look like a hoodlum. I don't got a license. You guys didn't hear that. Yeah, we are on our way. I had to show the Miata to someone that's interested in buying it, and I am not ready. I did not clean it up as much as I should have, so I'll catch you guys there. And just like that, she is sold. We gotta do the film on a film. Stop on it, he hasn't left yet. This is, man. Well, at least you're getting the vertical content. Yeah. I'm getting the YouTube one. There she goes. There goes a legend. Well, lads, that was it. Miata is sold. That was the final step. I needed to have the money for an S15. Now, to wait for the right one and for the shipping. And just like that, the Miata is sold. I listed it 3 days ago. These are the first people that came in to see it, and it's sold. I honestly wasn't expecting that. I thought they were just gonna look at it. So they're like, yeah, we'll take it. I was like, oh. So I had to come back home, get the title, get the winter setup of wheels that I had. And now we're gonna be working on the Corvette. We're gonna be replacing. So now we're gonna install tie rods on the Vette. Tie rods and end links, or outer tie rods, whatever. I saw all the tutorials show this one. It's supposed to help. They're adjustable. Supposed to help with the geometry of lowered Vettes. So that should fix my issue of this getting on alignment every time I go over bumps, I guess. So yeah, let's try to do that. Also, my car's so low, I have to drive on 2 2x4s in order to fit a jack. Yep. Go. See what we're working with? Yeah, I feel like my tie rod. Okay, well, we're gonna replace this. This is the end link from here to there. The tie rod. Gotta replace remove the boot to transfer it. Alright, so far pretty straightforward. Took off the nut that was up here. I loosened this just to see where it is so I can match it on the new ones. So I loosened it and put it back to where it was. It's right there, and then this just spins off. So like now I know that's where it's supposed to end, so I can compare and contrast. And then we're gonna take off the tie rod. Gotta take off that boot first. And yeah. So despite multiple people aligning my car and this being at the dealership for so long and me telling them it keeps getting unaligned, I see the issue. My inner tie rod is fucked. So we got the problem solver. We're gonna replace that. I actually have to go rent a tool to take this off. I forgot, and we'll do that. Here live with my friends. You get the fucking right. All right, per usual car installs. It's not working out. I have now 2 rentals. We got the AutoZone and the advanced rentals, and none of these things seem to fit properly. It just slips off.
Well, these are better. That's why.
Well, yeah, this one sucks, and then the ones that are like legit only came with 3 sizes, and it's none of these 3 sizes.
So,
William?
Let's go.
Where? He.
Let's go.
Yeah, I saw that earlier.
The NSX and the R2.
I don't want to go with you.
I'm gonna, dude. Let's go.
Do I have to go?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Okay.
That's not.
Good boy, Sabha.
What did you say, Gorge? Well, it had oil. Oh, it's because it's tilted the other way. Fuck. Gotta go higher.
You want me to jack you up? Jack it up?
I mean,
If you insist.
cue the cinematics. No mommy, wait. All right, update. Oh my god. Okay. I'm replacing the lip. I've had a new one for like 3 months. I was scared the wrap was gonna come with it. I mean, it did, but you won't see that.
How that work?
I mean, I probably should rewrap it. Oh, I can't, because then I gotta take off my badge and it's gonna break.
Want to hold it while I do this?
Just smack the lip on it. I don't think you'll notice.
Yeah, we're good. It's low enough to where no one's gonna notice. Update, old tie rod, look at that thing, hediondo.
You're
and
welcome.
then, new tie rod. Wait, like, try to move it. No, this one. Solid.
It's not moved though.
Actually, it's called the problem solver. So hopefully it does solve my problems. Oh,
Not all of them died.
Never mind, this is not the hacks that I need. Too small.
alrighty, driver's side is installed, torque to spec. Now we're doing
all the EVs, bro.
the passenger side. This side is so much quicker already. Started like 10 minutes ago. We're already just taking off the tie rod, inner tie rod. Everything else is already off, the boot and the end link. Alright, so quick update because I kind of been forgetting to record. Basically, quickly overview. To remove the inner tie rods, you need like a special tool. I got one from Advanced Auto Parts, the right tool, but they had the wrong sizes. Then we went to AutoZone. Same thing, kind of. It was a different tool, but the system didn't work that well as much as the first one. Let me show you. So the tool from Advance is these little things. Let it go into this and kind of lock in, but it's the mounting point, the gripping point is like so thin compared to the AutoZone ones. Wait, I got it backwards. Okay, so this was from Advance. As you can see, the gripping point is pretty much from here to here, which is thicker than here, from here to here. But this one only came with 3 sizes, and the OEM tie rods were none of these. Luckily the aftermarket one was. So then we tried with this one. As you can see, there's a lot more. Actually, it's missing all these that I gotta get, but it didn't work as well as the first system. So Eric went ahead and bought a socket himself that was the right one, that fit that tool, and that's how we were able to get it out. And once we got it out, we installed it, torqued it to spec. There's Eric. And so now I am just finishing up here with the end link. This thing looks sick. Now my suspension actually kind of looks cool. You got the silver coilovers, the Baer end links, Moog tie rods called problem solvers. I really hope that solves my problem. So now I'm just gonna torque this nut right here and this nut right here, and we'll be set. Had we had the tools from the beginning,
It would have taken quicker.
yeah, I mean,
Hey man, where's that? Shout out to this tool right here.
that's the one you bought?
Yes, this is the one I bought.
Oh, okay.
This thing works like a charm.
Yeah, so I guess the Corvette
Has smooth type of tie rods. So this one said it was specific for tie rods that are smooth. So it worked fine. We just put it on there, clamped it, gripped, and it loosened up like nothing. So
yeah,
Shout out to that
if
tool.
you have a C6, I recommend getting that instead of renting those other tools that now I have to go and return.
well, they're good for the aftermarket one. It's just for the stock tie rods. Use that.
Right.
If you have aftermarket, then you can use the other ones.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, while we killed time getting tools and stuff, I also did an oil change. so she's ready for the drag strip next weekend. Well, I'm gonna need an alignment, very obviously. I try to match the specs to the OEM, so like the distance and the tie rod of the nut and then the end links, but ultimately it's still gonna need an alignment. I'm getting new tires, if not tomorrow, sometime this week. Along with the alignment, we should be good.
Yeah.
Well,
Hopefully.
yeah.
Hopefully that
I
fixes
still gotta install my hood.
Yeah. White savings.
Less aerodynamic right here. A lot of turbulence. Alright guys, and we are now wrapped up. As you can see, we actually wound up putting my OEM hood back on. I had already wrapped it previously, so luckily it is complete. Car is nice and low again. We also installed a lip that I had bought months ago, but I didn't bother installing because it was still winter here.
I think it's just because you were lazy.
No, that's not it. And now I just need an alignment, new tires for the drag strip, and we are good to go. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to all 30 people watching, honestly, so far. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next